Hi, welcome to my lipstick swatch and review. These are pink shade lipsticks. I am medium to tan skin tone. I have oily skin and maturing skin. So with all these combinations, I just feel like the pink lipsticks that the most common pink shades really don't work on me. And then I was proven wrong because of some of the shades that I'm going to show you today.
Okay then, let's get into these lipsticks. First up is L'Oreal Paris Lip Color in the shade Miss Magenta. This is such a creamy, nourishing lipstick which has a hint of vitamin E, omega-3 and argan oil. So it definitely has more of a creamy texture. It's very hydrating, and I mean, look at the shade. I really did not think that pink lipsticks would look good on me, but I think they do look good on my skin tone. Link to buy these lipsticks is in the description box with an awesome price from Amazon. This Lancome lipstick in the shade Wannabe, it is yummy. The shade is so awesome. It is not very bright or flashy. It is very good for everyday wear. It's creamy, but it lasts all day long. It is so pigmented, just one swipe is enough, and you don't have to go over the lip over and over again to make it last longer. Lancome has discontinued this shade, which is sad, but I have a link for you from Amazon in the description box below. Next up is this Bite Beauty lipstick in the shade Strawberry Froze. I think it's Froze, maybe Froze, I don't know. Really, who cares about the name? It's a cute name, but the lipstick is so amazing. Bite Beauty, as you know, is a clean brand, is a vegan brand, and their pigmentation is out of this world. This is a matte lipstick. It lasts all day. It lasts under your mask. It lasts in the sweat. Literally, it takes me 5 minutes to remove this at the end of the day because it's that pigmented. This amazing shade is a hot pink shade, and it's a little bold, but is awesome. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Last but not the least, this is my most favorite pink lipstick ever. This is the Physicians Formula Healthy Lip in the shade Magentle. This is long wearing. Let me say that again. Long wearing. This is very nourishing. It's a liquid lipstick. It glides on seamlessly. One stroke color pay off. Awesome lipstick. It's lightweight and it lasts under the mask for the whole day. No jokes.
So I'm going to link all these lipsticks descriptions, names and shades down in the description box below. I'm going to link my video, my short video of this one where I was just doing some shenanigans with lipsticks. This lipstick, I must say, is my most favorite out of the whole lot. In fact, this is very comparable to some of my most favorite red lipsticks, actually. Oh, by the way, if you are enjoying this video and want me to do more reviews on certain shades of lipsticks, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will do more of such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and come back for more. Thank you. Mwah.